Find the potential difference between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor of 5 microfarad. So capacitance is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. If a charge of the plate is 800 microcoulomb placed on one plate and minus 200 microcoulomb in another plate. See, we will write Q1 is equal to 800 microcoulomb and Q2 is equal to minus 200 microcoulomb. Now this is the case. See, Q1 and Q2 both are not equal. If it is not equal, the method to find out the capacitance outside, inside of this plate, outside of the plate is, that is outside the plates, is equal to Q is equal to add all the charges and divide by 2. So it means here the charge is Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. And here also same charge outside the plate is Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. What is the charge in this inner side of the plate? Inner side of the plate is equal to Q1 minus Q1 plus Q2 by 2 is equal to Q1 minus Q1 by 2 minus Q2 by 2. So this is equal to, here the charge in the inner plate is equal to Q1 minus Q2 by 2. So here the charge is Q1 minus Q2 and divide by 2. Here same equal and opposite charge will be induced. Exactly this charge and opposite of this, that is minus Q1 minus Q2, that is Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2, and its negative charge will be induced in the inner side of the Q2 and outside of this much. Now we have to find out, we know Q is equal to CV, or potential is equal to charge divided by capacitance. So charge on this method is used only when unequal charges are kept. If there are Q1 into Q2 by 2, if there are n number of plate, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q to Q to the power n divided by 2. Now Q1 as it is, Q1 is equal to 800 microcoulomb. So this is for unequal charge. Unequal charge, we will use this formula. Otherwise in capacitor this will be plus Q and this will be minus Q. In the inner side plus Q, in the inner side of this plate will be minus Q. Unequal charge, therefore now the capacitor will have a charge of Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2. That is, this is equal to charge on the capacitor. This is the charge on the capacitor. It means which charge? The charge which is inner side of this plate will be the charge on the capacitor. So charge on the capacitor. Now we know potential. We want to find out potential. What is potential? Potential is equal to charge divided by capacitance. What is Q1 minus Q2? Q1 minus Q2. See, charge is equal to Q1. Q1 is equal to 800 microcoulomb minus 200 microcoulomb divided by Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2 is equal to 1000 1000 is equal to 500 microcoulomb. Charge is equal to 500 microcoulomb. 800 plus 1000 microcoulomb divided by, so charge is equal to capacitance. How much is the capacitance? This is the capacitance. Therefore, potential. So on the plate, find the potential difference. So potential difference is equal to, as it is equal to charge divided by capacitance. So charge is equal to 500 microcoulomb 10 to the power minus 6 microcoulomb divided by capacitance. What is capacitance? Capacitance is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 10 to the minus farad. So this we cancel, is equal to 1000. Unit is in volt, or we can say 100 volt. This is the potential difference between these two plates. This method is adopted if the charges are unequal. This is Q1 and this is Q2, and Q1 and Q2 are not equal. Here generally it used to be plus Q and this used to be minus Q. Therefore, if for unequal charge we will use for n number of capacitor. For unequal capacitor charge, capacitor plates, capacitor charge on plates. What? See the charge on outer, the charge on outer side, outer surface. If there are n number of charge, you add all the charges. If there are n number of plates, add all the charges up to plus Qn and divide by 2. This is the charge which is available in the extreme outer and that extreme outer of the capacitors. See here the extreme outside is outer for this plate is this one and extreme this one. Add these two. What is the charge here? Here also we can find out. See this is minus Q1 charge in this plate is this much. This minus this will give this answer. You can find out easily. See how, see now let us find out what is charge. We have written Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Now we can prove this also. The charge on outer side is equal to Q2 minus of minus Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2 is equal to 2Q2 minus Q2 is equal to 2Q2 plus Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2 is equal to Q1 plus Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. Even if we can find this way also, this minus this is the, another method is this minus this is the charge on this plate. Or we can find out whatever charge is available here is exactly the negative of this charge is available in the inner side of this plate. In the extreme means we add all the charge divide by 2, that is the extreme charges on the extreme outer of the plates.